Our special offer for CounterTrend Max is through tomorrow. I want to show you the latest on that. First, go over Tick Pulse. Tick Pulse is a trend strategy. It's done well the last few days. You see a short trade here, long trade here. The market has been choppy this year, and Tick Pulse has not taken as many trades, or it's underperformed, I guess, based on the past because the trend has been lower. And so we have strategies like CounterTrend Max. And I've shown it to you in Tradestation, NinjaTrader. I've shown it to you in Quantopian, and I'm going to show it to you in MultiCharts. And so, trading a trend strategy such as Tick Pulse and a counter trend strategy can be one approach to trading. And let's take a look at the performance summary for this is since 2016. We're at 50-year volatility lows, and so you see a strategy like CounterTrend Max, which may have not worked before 2016, doing well in this time period. So you see 14,962.50. Hypothetical. This is software-based results testing an algorithm from which to trade, and you see 14,962.50. I love the drawdown curve in MultiCharts. So you see this drawdown curve. You see this spike down right close to these lows over here. So good place to get in if you haven't started trading this yet. This could be a good place to get in at this drawdown, and we could be at an inflection point where the market starts to trend, and in which case Tick Pulse will do well. And if it starts to counter trend, if this is just a short term, these movements we're having today in the markets this week, is this just a short term thing where we turn into a counter trend? We go back to counter trend mode. Then you have CounterTrend Max to take advantage of the counter trend nature of the market. So you've got a strategy for both here with Tick Pulse and now with CounterTrend Max. CounterTrend Max goes long and short, so that's a benefit as well. And you see there is more profit on the long side than the short side, which makes sense since the trend has been up. And this is CounterTrend. Let's see. This is CounterTrend Max E-mini S&P. 91.79 average trade profit, really nice. And one of the things you can do is to we have, for format this signal, look at, we have a stop loss of 500 and a profit target of 350. And some people don't like that. They want to say, okay, I want a stop loss of 350 and a profit target of 500. Let's take a look at how that works. So you take a look at that, and you get your average trade profit goes down 71.40. Your total net profit goes down 11,637.50. Your strategy drawdown is 15.75, and here is your equity curve. So not bad. You could trade either. You could trade either one. If you want to trade with a $350 stop loss, you can get these sort of back tests as far as a projection of what you could potentially expect in the future, or you could use a $500 stop loss. And there's some other settings you can use. And so these are just back tests and different approaches. You see the cyclical nature of the drawdown curve. And once again, this is in a drawdown, and so it's a good place to get in, and it goes into drawdowns when the market trends more. And so lately we've had good results the last few days in Tick Pulse, while CounterTrend Max is down. And so there's a cyclical nature of these strategies that we want to take advantage of as far as getting in on drawdowns. And so that is Tick Max, CounterTrend Max, E-mini S&P, and MultiCharts. Now let's look at the NQ. Same thing in NQ, good entry point with this drawdown. This is using the 350 profit target, 500 stop loss, 87.20, and total trade analysis 55.84. Let me make sure I may have changed some of this. Let's see, format signal. Yeah, it's a 500 stop loss, 350 profit target, and so you can get different results. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So here are the results on NQ, and you see 10.195 Total trade analysis, 64.94. Equity curve, close trade to close trade drawdown. I think it's a little bit better with the 350 stop loss and 500 profit target on NQ. It trends a little better, and so you could change that on NQ and have that as well. The Dow is even less volatile. Let's take a look at that. Here is the E-mini Dow CounterTrend Max in MultiCharts, 13,010 total trade analysis, 151 trades, 86.16 average trade profit. Equity curve is for a drawdown. I really like this equity curve. It's a straighter equity curve. You get these lower dollar drawdowns. What is the maximum drawdown on this? 1100. So if you're looking to trade risk the worst case drawdown, this one has the smallest, and so there's always a risk. But this, based on the point value and what's done in the past, hypothetically speaking, this has the lowest. And 151 trades. Again, this is a brand new strategy. We have a special offer. I'm going to show you that here in a minute. You can also trade it on the DAX, and the DAX is right here. Let's see, total trade analysis, 11,275, and this is using a 500 stop loss, 350 profit target. So your average trade is 64.80 euros, not very much on the DAX. You probably want to expand that out. If you do, you'll get bigger drawdowns though. And so here is your max, or here's your drawdown curve. So still not too bad. Might be worth trying to trade something with a small average trade profit and check your fills on the DAX. I haven't traded the DAX much lately, but it's one way to trade the markets. If you want to trade a market that has, during low volatility periods, it has a larger daily dollar range, and during high volatility periods, you can go back to trading some of the smaller indexes. So that's another approach as well. And that is CounterTrend Max. I'm going to show you the special offer for this. So if you go to the website, you can find this under More, and you can see weekly portfolio results, video blog, and you can scroll down here to new strategy release. I have a link below this video, and here is the special offer. Lifetime license is $9.95, open code is $19.95. Lifetime license includes up to 2 platforms, Tradestation, NinjaTrader 7 or 8, or MultiCharts, 2 of those. And the performance can vary between data feeds. And so also what you can get in the open code is the NinjaTrader 7, NinjaTrader 8, MultiCharts, Tradestation, and Quantopian Python. I can't offer the Quantopian Python in a closed code because there's no way to lock it up. But if you get the open code, you can have that. And we've talked about the Quantopian platform and the ability to get allocations if you modify it, want to customize it if you're a programmer, if you want to learn programming, you want to learn Python and algorithmic trading. It's one way to compare it between platforms. Great benefit of that, have a working strategy or strategy that backtests well. And so yeah, those are the special offers through tomorrow, and that's the update for today in CounterTrend Max in MultiCharts.